Hello, first grade. How are you? Good. First grade, today our activity is very easy, okay? You're going to open your book, your Explorer book, okay? On page 30, 30, page 30. You are going to have to create a toy, but not any kind of toy. It can be an action figure or a doll. Do you know what is an action figure? It is a Batman, Spider-Man, The Flash. All that are action figure. And doll is the toys that usually girls like to play. Okay? So you're going to draw your toy here and I want to see. Okay? I'm going to ask you to show me next class. Okay, guys. Have fun. Bye bye.